Hey, what's up everybody? I am Ashwin and you are watching iReview TV. So today I'm gonna break down why OnePlus 5T is considered as the best smartphone. Let's roll the intro. I have been using OnePlus 5T as my primary smartphone for the past 4 months. Compared to the flagship segment leaders like the Apple iPhone 10, Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, Google Pixel 2 XL, the OnePlus 5T checks out most of the boxes for about half the price point of the other flagships. Speaking about the design, the OnePlus 5T has a very slick aluminum built unibody design. The buttons are crisp and tactile too. It looks premium and solid in hand, but it is very slippery, so I would recommend to use a case to get more grip. It has a stunning edge-to-edge display in the front, a perfectly placed fingerprint sensor in the back, and a very helpful alert slider, which helps switch between the ringer and silent modes. They've also retained the 3.5mm jack, which I'm very happy about. The OnePlus 5T comes in 6GB RAM and 64GB internal storage and 8GB RAM and 128GB internal storage versions. We have 3 colors to choose from: the sandstone white, the midnight black, and the lava red. The display is one of the major improvements in the OnePlus 5T. It comes with a 6-inch edge-to-edge bezel-less AMOLED display with 18:9 aspect ratio, which looks very 2018. The company has coated the display with cornering Gorilla Glass 5, which protects it from minor scratches. The display is crisp and clean with 401 ppi, which enhances the visual appearance of the device. The visibility was also clear when using under direct sunlight. They have also provided reading and night mode options, which are very helpful. Speaking about the camera, the OnePlus 5T has a dual camera setup in the back with 16 megapixel and 20 megapixel with aperture f1.7. The new 20 megapixel is used for low light photography, which combines 4 pixel into 1 pixel, and OnePlus says it as intelligent pixel technology. The OnePlus 5T takes great shots at good lighting condition, but still the low light shots are average when compared with iPhone 10 and Pixel 2 XL. However, iPhone 10 and Pixel 2 XL cost more than the OnePlus 5T. The OnePlus 5T takes amazing portrait shots. It detects the edge correctly and blurs the background completely. The front-facing camera also performs good, but it lacks in selfie portraits. It will be great if OnePlus adds Pro Video mode to the camera options in the near future. Speaking about the performance, the OnePlus 5T is powered by Snapdragon 835 chipset. There were no issues with the performance, be it gaming or watching videos, multitasking or using heavy apps. Everything seemed like a cakewalk for the OnePlus 5T. You can run a large number of apps simultaneously without noticing a single lag. If you are a hardcore gamer, then the handset also offers a gaming do not disturb mode, which enables the user to play their favorite games without being bothered by unnecessary notifications. Currently, the device is running on Android Oreo. The OnePlus 5T offers an amazing face unlock feature found in high-end devices. Users can now unlock the device by using the face recognition in a flash. Press the lock button, it takes straight to the home screen as soon as it sees your face. It is not so perfect as the Face ID in the iPhone, but can be used as a backup option for fingerprint sensor. The phone has a 3300 mAh battery, which lasts a full day with mixed usage of music, games, and social media. The dash charger is the best charger available for any smartphone. It charges the phone to 100% within an hour, which is so great. Oxygen OS brings some interesting features to the smartphone. Users can now customize and optimize the device as per your needs. One of the interesting features is the parallel apps. It enables the user to clone apps like Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, etc., allowing you to log into the social media profile with 2 different accounts. It has various gesture options like play or pause music, open camera, etc. right from the lock screen. You can also customize the display using various modes present in the settings tab. So finally, OnePlus 5T has made me so happy with great features and amazing performance. So if you are a person who can compromise on water resistant micro SD card, wireless charging, it is still the best flagship smartphone you can get in the market for an affordable price. After watching this video, if you are planning to buy a new OnePlus 5T device, I have provided the link in the description below. Please like this video and press the subscribe button to get the latest tech information from iReview TV. Also comment below your thoughts about the OnePlus 5T device and what features you wish to have in the new OnePlus 6. Thank you. See you in the next video, guys.